Hello guys, how are you? This is your teacher Tino. I hope you're doing great. So in this lesson, actually this is lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to learn to make indirect requests. Okay, very important. So remember the normal statements, Jeff, you talk to Jeff, right? You're talking to Jeff. Jeff, Tony's having a party, you're like reporting. So Jeff, Tony's having a party. Virginia, Santiago is working tomorrow. Okay. So imperatives. Jeff, don't be late. Let's say we're having a meeting tomorrow, so don't be late. Okay. Yes, no questions. Sophia, are you free on Friday? Are you free on Friday? Sophia, do you have my number? So on and so forth. And WH questions. Jeff, when does the party start? Sophia, what time should I pick you up? Recoger, right? The opposite of pick up is to drop off. Okay, anyway. So now indirect requests introduced by that. So it's the same example, but now we're going to ask a question. So could you tell Jeff that Tony is having a party? Could you tell Jeff, so this is the question, right? Could you tell Jeff that Tony is having a party? Very important. Here, you cannot use who. You need to use that. So could you tell Jeff that Tony is having a party? Another example. Could you tell my boss I'm not going to work tomorrow? Could you tell my boss I'm not going to work tomorrow? So on and so forth. I would never do that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so now with the imperatives, indirect requests using infinitives. Can you tell Jeff not to be late? Two. So can you tell Jeff not to be late tomorrow? We're having a meeting, guys. So can you tell Jeff not to be absent? So on and so forth. Okay, and this one's indirect requests introduced by if or whether. So can you ask Sophia if she's free on Friday? So this is when you are once again indirecting, requesting something, indirectly requesting something. So can you ask Sophia if she's free on Friday? Could you ask her whether or not she has my number? So on and so forth. So indirect requests introduced by a question word. Can you ask Jeff when the party starts? Can you ask Jeff when the party starts? And could you ask Sophia what time I should pick her up? Okay, so on and so forth. And so guys, could you tell me if you are understanding this course? Could you tell me if you are understanding this course? So on and so forth. So guys, this lesson was very short and very easy. Don't forget to practice it. Don't forget that I am here. If you have any questions, any doubts, I am here for you. So see you guys. Don't forget to do your quiz. Bye bye.